The Kissound Double Din Stereo offers a seamless wireless and wired connection with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing users to stay connected hands-free using voice commands. Thanks to its built-in DSP processor and 240-watt output, this stereo delivers impressive high-fidelity sound quality with the option to customize audio settings through a 10-band equalizer. With Bluetooth connectivity and dual microphones, the stereo ensures stable streaming and clear voice pickup, making hands-free calling a breeze even at high speeds. The 7-inch IPS touchscreen provides sharp visuals and wide viewing angles, while the MirrorLink feature offers easy phone screen mirroring for video, apps, and maps. This stereo supports both rear and front cameras, enhancing driving safety with its auto-switching feature when reversing, and includes an 8 LED rear camera. Installation is straightforward with steering wheel control support, and the stereo fits most standard double-din dash openings, with technical support available around the clock.